Okay guys, so here we go, the fifth video of the 30-day video upload challenge. I uploaded some pretty awesome videos already, so be sure to check out the whole playlist of the 30-day challenge to see all of the other videos. Also be sure to really check out the very first one, because there I explain how to win all of this awesome stuff like my software, lifetime access, Video Sniper Pro, video marketing agency, all this kinds of stuff, right? Be sure to check it out. In this video, we want to be talking about one of the easiest way to make money online. You don't even need your own products. And what I want to be talking about is how to make money using the Amazon affiliate program and how to do this really, really fast so you can get some initial cash to reinvest it into your business and start something real, okay? So this is what's going to happen. Also, be sure to subscribe and join the notification list below, the Facebook notification list. Just click the link in the description, join it to be able to take part in the giveaway thing that we got going on. So be sure to check it out, and I hope you enjoy. Okay guys, so I know I made a few videos about this exact same topic in the past, or actually just one video I think, but I'm making another one like this, just going through the whole basics when it comes to affiliate marketing with Amazon and stuff, especially for the new viewers that I got, because I got a lot of new viewers within the last like 1 or 2 months or something. There's also a lot of new people coming in through the new 30-day upload challenge kind of thing. So let's get straight into it. So the first thing that you need in order to make this happen is simply you need an Amazon account, an Amazon Associates account. It's how they call it, where you can simply sign up for free and then you can promote Amazon products and get a commission for it. And as you can see right here, earn up to 10% advertising fees, which is the commission with a trusted e-commerce leader, right? And Amazon, of course, is the leader when it comes to e-commerce, right? So it's pretty simple, and I'm showing you this method because it's simply a fast way to earn some fast cash on the internet that you can later on reinvest into your actual business. And as you might know, this 30-day upload challenge right here is all about me giving you tips and tricks in order to start your own online business, stuff that I think that could have helped me in the beginning. If I could go back in time, I would have probably done more of this stuff just to generate some fast cash, because I've always been a guy, I just started out, directly went into selling services and stuff, going a little bit the hard way, just pushing through, right? Just getting people, actual clients and stuff, and didn't really focus on like doing smaller stuff first where I just get commissions and promote other people's products. Didn't really care about that. But it's really easy way to do this. You can literally set something up within a few days, within 1 or 2 days, and actually already make money. And I want to show you how exactly you can do this right here. So all you do is, as I said, you sign up right here for an account, and once you're signed in, you will simply go to Amazon.com. Right, and then you will find a product that you can promote. So what you want to do is you will simply try to find a product that you can promote. Just type in, for example, camera. Okay, so there we see a bunch of different cameras, right? So let's say what I would suggest you to do is go for the most expensive items, right? Go for the most expensive items when it comes to Amazon. Let's just take this one right here. This seems like a very popular one. It's $1,299. And let's just take this camera, right, and go to youtube.com. This is all you got to do, guys, right? So you take this camera, go to YouTube, type in the name of the camera, and there you already see it pops up, right? There's different things popping up. There's just the normal name, then review. And by the way, as I already also teach in my Tube Millionaire course and other courses and stuff on how to do keyword research on YouTube, you don't have a keywords planner like in Google. So you always have to just type in the beginning of your keyword, and there you see the things that are popping up are always the keywords that are the most searched for, right? So this Canon EOS 80D review, video test, tutorial, video creating, and these are all things that you can rank videos for in order to actually make money. So let's just check this out, how people make money right here, right? Let's just take this guy right here. When we check this out right here, we can see that this guy when we check it, when we look at description, he actually has an affiliate link right here that he promotes in the description. As you can see, it almost has 400,000 views, almost 500,000 views. Of course, that's a lot. So in this case, he doesn't promote Amazon, but probably some other kind of camera store or whatever. But if we made a video like this, and by the way, you don't have to create a video yourself. If we had a video like this, we could easily use the Amazon link right here, right, and get a commission for it. So as you might ask yourself right now, how do I get a video like this and rank it up there? It's really easy to do, right? So you don't want to rank for a highly competitive keyword like this right here if you don't have the resources to do this yet, right? If you have no channel authority yet, if you don't know how to do this yet, right? So what you want to do is you want to click here, or you want to go back, click here, and go lower down here and see a more like a longer keyword, more like a long tail keyword, and try to rank one of these videos, right? So what you can do is you can just get a video from Google, or you can scrape a video from YouTube or something, right? And rank it for a keyword like this, right? And you can do this with like 20 or 30 different videos per day on a massive scale, rank for a lower competitive keyword, and then make money that way. And how you do this is really simple, right? So right now you might ask yourself, how do I rank YouTube videos? All you have to do is you go to videosniperpro.com, sign up there, and by the way, there's actually a free version that you can get, because this is a software that ranks your YouTube videos, right? This is an actual software that ranks your YouTube videos and basically make sure that you actually rank them, okay? So what you can do is, there's a few different packages right here, but you can sign up for a free version, but it requires you to actually sign up for a free webinar in order to get free access. So if you want that, you can do that, right? If you don't, you can just sign up for $7 or $17. It's pretty easy to do. It's not a lot of money, so it's really worth the money anyways. So in the software, you will basically have the opportunity to generate the perfect title, description, and tags for your YouTube video by reverse engineering the YouTube algorithm and analyzing your competition. And that's basically what will make your video rank. So for example, let's do this with our example right here, Canon EOS 80D unboxing. So in the software, we will go to keywords. We will enter our keyword and click generate video details, and that will make the software in the background generate the perfect title, description, and tags that will outrank our competition. And trust me, this is really powerful right here. So once this is done, the software also recommends us other keywords to rank for. This is also amazing. You could literally go out there and rank 20 or 30 videos just for this one product alone, right? Just for this one camera alone, that's costs almost like $1,500. You can rank all of these keywords right here that are easy to rank, and you don't need thousands of searches. There don't have to be like thousands of search results for each and every keyword. It's enough because you can go out there and rank one of the same video with the same affiliate link all the time, right? Then you want to go to video details, and that's basically the section where you can generate the perfect title, description, and tags for your video. Right here, you will see it in there, Canon EOS 80D unboxing. You click on it, and then you simply take one of these titles right here, take at least 3 parts, 3 phrases of this description right here, and put it in your actual description for your videos. And the tags, of course, are a no-brainer. You simply copy and paste them in there, right? And what you can do after that is you can actually add your video to the software and watch other people's videos in the software and get points for that, and later on redeem them for actual real views to actually kind of boost your video to the top, right? So this is a pretty awesome thing to do. It's called social engagements and stuff. But if you want to learn more about how to do this, because I can't make this video too long right here, just go to the software and stuff and actually sign up there for the free version and try it out. Watch the webinar where everything is explained and stuff, okay? So this is basically how it's done. And your goal should be to get as many products as possible and rank them on youtube.com and make money that way. That's a good way to make some fast cash, okay? All right, guys, I hope you like this video. It's a pretty awesome method to make some nice fast cash. Be sure to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.